If I tell you say wahala be like bicycle for this country, that is to say na understatement, because let truth be told, for this country wahala don turn private jet. Now breaking news, David Hundeyin don expose another secret concerning May 26. Now una know say May 26 na the day wey court don set aside to give judgement on this issue of double nomination form. Una know say the laws of this country forbid a particular candidate having double nomination form, which the vice presidential candidate of APC they declare us now say e no obey that law, and now the court have set aside May 26 to give judgement on that, which is the next 3 days. But as I'm talking to you now, David Hundeyin don burst another secret wey they plan for that May 26. Una know David Hundeyin now, na that ogbonge journalist wey sabi im work for this journalism work. Now David Hundeyin don burst out with im Twitter handle come dey clear us. Now as you are looking at the screen, I am going to allow you to look at what Arise News have to say on that. And as you are watching it, make sure you are sharing this video, because this country e dey burst on daily basis. So watch the news.
Investigative journalist David Hundeyin took to Twitter to claim that Tinubu is working very hard to stop the judgment. Let's take his tweet. Well, David Hundeyin wrote, "Information reaching me now from an insider is that Tinubu is trying to lean to Buhari to declare a public holiday on Friday, 26 May, which is the date the Supreme Court is supposed to deliver the judgment that could disqualify him." I mean, Dr. David Hundeyin went further to state that, more information that Tinubu had, gotten about 100 million, naira bribe or something like that to bribe the Supreme Court justices. But we know that David Hundeyin has been investigating Bola Ahmed Tinubu for a while. He has, brought out documentaries, reports, and all that. I don't know what you make of that story.
Well, I don't want to deal with allegations or speculations.
No, the story of the May 26th.
Yes. When a court says it's reserving judgment, it means that it will still give the judgment at a later date.
Yeah.
Hence, the Supreme Court, their lordships, have chosen May 26th, which is 3 days. So people are likely to have anxiety and say, just 3 days to the inauguration. Have we not been presented with a fair complaint? But you recall the case of Lion and Diego, the judgment was given, by the court just a day before swearing in, before inauguration. And so, if the court says the court, is at liberty to take its own decisions. But, ordinary Nigerians will say, that's too close. Presidential election, maybe this is an attempt to dodge. The second matter, of course, is that the point of law that is before the Supreme Court here will be local standing. Because that was the ruling of the three-man panel when the matter came up at the Court of Appeal. The Court of Appeal, I think it was led by Justice Nyang Ekwo, ruled that, look, the matter lacked merit because, the petitioners lacked locus. Locus is your right to bring the matter, your capacity to bring the matter, and it's as important as jurisdiction. But now that the matter has gone all the way to the Supreme Court, at issue is Section 39, Section 35, and Section 84, Sub 1 and Sub 2 of the Electoral Act. So it's the Supreme Court, that will now look at it and decide whether the Court of Appeal erred in law, whether it arrived at its ruling par incuriam or not. But the justice system, gives you the freedom to go all the way, to the apex court to push your rights. Because the matter is already before the court and their lordships are looking at it, we cannot go further than this. Otherwise, whatever we say will be considered subjudicia.